The Save to Google Drive Chrome extension can be used to quickly get things from the web into your Google Drive without having to download them and re-upload them to Google. So uh, we're going to talk about some of the features here and walk through some of the ways that this might be able to save you some time. Now, first of all, we have to install the extension. So to do that, I'm in the Chrome Web Store right now, and I just searched for Save to Google Drive. Once I found that, I can click the Add to Chrome button, and then we're going to get a new little icon in the upper corner that's called Save to Google Drive. Now I'm going to start here by right-clicking on that and choosing the options. This will show you some of the different things that you can change with this extension. So first of all, it tells us that we are attached to our My Unit 5 account, and it's showing us what folder we are going to save all of these things automatically to. This is the default, but you can create a folder in your Google Drive and make it saved to there. You have all the flexibility in the world there. And then when we simply click on that button, it's going to do one of these 5 things. And normally I keep it here at taking an image of the entire website. But the other one that sometimes gets used is this Google document option down here at the bottom. And what it will do is it will attempt to take the website you're looking at and convert it directly into a Google Doc, which could have its advantages as well. But I'm going to leave it here taking an image of the entire page and kind of show you what you could do with something like that. So here we have a website that I may, for example, want to show to my students the entire website. Now, the entire website is kind of complicated and it's very long. So if I was going to take little screenshots and snippets of the entire thing and then try to splice them all together, that'd be pretty complicated. But if I simply click on my Saved Drive button, what it's going to do here is go through the website. You can see it doing that right now. I'm not touching anything. And it's taking a snapshot of each one of these layers. And then it's going to piece them together automatically. And it's going to save that to your Google Drive. Now, once this is done, you'll get a quick link that you can just click on and open up the new image. It's telling you where it was saved. And if you want to, you could rename the file directly from here. So I could just name this AirPods. Now, I could go right to the file, but I'm actually going to go into my Google Drive. And this is my saved from web folder, you'll see. And here it is. Here's my image. I pull that up and you can see how this is one long image of the entire website. All right, so then this could be something that I could share out to my students and have them be able to look at the entire thing in one image at one time. So that's one use of the Save to Web feature. I'll show you another one that I use quite commonly. Let's say I am Google searching for some images and I need to find an image that has to do with space. So I put in space. I'm going to filter this down so that we are only using images that are labeled for reuse. Okay, avoid any sort of copyright issues. And then let's say this is the one I like. Nice image here. I'm going to click on that. Now I can right click on this image right here and you'll see I now have an option that says Save to Google Drive. And I can choose to save a link to Google Drive, which will take me back to this image, or I can save the image itself to Google Drive. So I choose that option, and you'll see we get the same little pop-up menu that we had before, and it's going to go ahead and save that into Drive. All of this is going to look very similar. The renaming feature comes in very handy here because a lot of the times the names of these images that you find online are strange and complex and they don't make a lot of sense. So I could just change this one to say night sky, apply. Okay, and once it's saved, we're back here in my drive and you can see I've got my night sky image right here in Google. Now, the advantage to this is that I don't have to download the image onto my desktop, and then upload it into Google Drive. Just with one right click, I can save those images right into Drive. Okay, those are some of the features of the Save to Drive Chrome extension. Hope you find them useful.